Are you looking for the best smart faucets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best smart faucets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Delta Faucet Essa VoiceIQ. The Delta Faucet Essa VoiceIQ Touchless Kitchen Faucet, Model 9113TV, AR, DST, in Arctic Stainless is a smart, feature-packed kitchen faucet designed for convenience and hygiene. It integrates with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing users to control water flow, dispense specific amounts, and adjust temperature via voice commands, which is especially useful when hands are full or messy. The faucet also features Delta's Touch 2.0 technology for activation with a simple touch, a TempSense LED light that indicates water temperature, and the MagnaJet docking system to keep the spray wand securely in place. Its touch-clean spray holes make removing mineral buildup easy, and it comes with both a wall adapter and battery backup for continuous operation. Combining advanced technology with practical design, the Essa VoiceIQ faucet enhances modern kitchens with smart functionality and ease of use. Number 2. Kohler K72218BL Faucet. The Kohler K72218BL Sensate Kitchen Sink Faucet in matte black is a premium, touchless kitchen faucet designed to enhance convenience and hygiene in the kitchen. It features hands-free activation through a state-of-the-art motion sensor that responds in just 20 milliseconds, allowing you to turn the water on or off with a simple wave of your hand or an object like a pan or utensil. Equipped with Kohler Connect, this smart faucet offers voice-activated technology, enabling you to operate the faucet and dispense measured amounts of water hands-free. It works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control the faucet using voice commands. The faucet also includes a Docknetic magnetic docking system that securely holds the pull-down spray head in place, preventing drooping over time. Its sweep spray function features specially angled nozzles that form a wide, powerful blade of water to sweep your dishes and sink clean. With a 1.5 gallons per minute (GPM) flow rate, the K72218BL is designed to provide efficient water usage while maintaining strong performance. Its sleek matte black finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. Number 3. WEWE Touchless Faucet. The WEWE Touchless Kitchen Faucet with pull-down sprayer in brushed nickel is a modern, hands-free kitchen faucet designed to enhance convenience and hygiene. Equipped with a smart motion sensor, it allows users to activate water flow with a simple wave of the hand, eliminating the need to touch the faucet handle. The faucet features a high-arc 360 degrees swivel spout and an extended 24-inch pull-out hose, providing flexibility to reach all areas of the sink. It offers 3 spray modes: stream for filling pots, spray for rinsing, and pours to prevent splashing. The brushed nickel finish resists fingerprints and water spots, maintaining a clean appearance with minimal effort. Installation is straightforward, with pre-installed hoses and all necessary hardware included, allowing for DIY setup in under 30 minutes. Number 4. Moen 7622 EVBG CIA Smart Faucet. The Moen 7622 EVBG CIA Smart Faucet in brushed gold is a high-tech kitchen faucet that combines advanced functionality with elegant design. It offers 4 control methods: voice activation via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, the Moen app, touchless motion sensing, and manual operation, allowing users to choose the most convenient option for their needs. The faucet features precise water dispensing capabilities, enabling users to dispense from 1 tablespoon to 15 gallons at their desired temperature, up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for tasks like filling coffee pots or baby bottles. Customizable presets can be saved in the Moen app for quick access to preferred settings. Additionally, the faucet includes Power Boost technology, which provides faster cleaning and filling with the push of a button, and Power Clean Spray technology, offering 50% more spray power compared to most pull-down faucets without these technologies. The brushed gold finish adds a rich, warm tone to the kitchen, and the faucet comes with optional matte black accents for added customization. With its combination of smart features and stylish design, the Moen 7622 EVBG CIA Smart Faucet enhances both the functionality and aesthetics of any modern kitchen. Number 5. GIMILI Touchless Kitchen Faucet. The GIMILI Touchless Kitchen Faucet with pull-down sprayer in brushed nickel offers a modern solution for hands-free kitchen tasks. Equipped with a motion sensor, it activates water flow with a simple wave, eliminating the need to touch the handle and promoting hygiene. The faucet features a high arc spout with a 360 degrees swivel and a pull-down sprayer, providing flexibility for various kitchen tasks. Constructed from commercial-grade SUS-30 stainless steel and brass, it boasts durability and resistance to corrosion and rust. Installation is straightforward, suitable for single or three-hole sinks, and can be completed without professional assistance. Powered by 4 AA batteries, not included, the faucet includes all necessary installation hardware and tools.